A bad battery and a bad alternator are both components of a vehicle's electrical system, but they serve different functions and can cause different issues when they malfunction. Bad battery. A battery is responsible for providing the initial electrical power to start the engine. It stores electrical energy in chemical form and releases it as needed. Here are some signs of a bad battery. Difficulty starting the vehicle. If the battery is weak or dying, you may experience difficulty starting the engine. It may crank slowly or not at all. Dimming lights. When you turn on the headlights or interior lights, they may appear dimmer than usual. Electrical issues. A failing battery can cause various electrical problems, such as flickering lights, malfunctioning power windows, or an erratic radio display.